Welcome to Function Fitness, Arun here, and a very happy new year to everyone. As you know, when it comes to workout, recovery for your spine is very important. And when it comes to recovery for your spine, I would highly recommend to go for a chiropractic adjustment session. And today I'm here to share my experience on the first chiropractic adjustment session by Dr. Prathap. Dr. Prathap is the owner and founder of Atlas Chiropractic and Wellness Center in Bangalore. And also let's watch what Dr. Prathap has to say about the importance of chiropractic adjustment session for a healthy life.
Just assessing through this cervical spine. So all I want you to do is just make sure you're nice and relaxed. Okay?
Yes.
All good. We're just making very, very small changes here, okay? Very small movements. Try to relax. And again, very, very small movements. Excellent. How did that feel?
Yeah.
Was that crazier than you expected it to
Something
be?
came out of my head.
Come down a little bit for me. Painful? A little bit around.
It's okay.
Those are excellent adjustments, okay? For the first time adjustment, fantastic.
Yeah.
Really good.
I'm okay with anything. I'm all yours.
Nice. I like to hear that. You can go face down for me, okay?
Oh.
Okay. Give me your hands. Let's put them on the hand rest in the front there. All right. Nice and loose. A lot of stiffness into here, okay? Can you feel this side? When I press down here, it doesn't really move that much. When I press down over here, it moves quite a bit.
I'm having issue on my left pelvic.
I'm sorry?
I'm having issue on my left.
Okay, got you. Okay, gotcha. Lots of stiffness into here.
Yep.
Okay, so I have a couple of ways to fix this, alright? Let's have you turn over first, on your back. Okay, this is the first set, alright? And we're going to go off to the next set after this. Bend your knee. Give me your hand. Give me this hand. Let's cross. Okay, you're comfortable?
Yep.
Breathe in for me. And breathe out. Very nice. And last one. Alright. You okay there? Okay, so that last one didn't move a lot, and that's normal. A lot of times, that area is an area that is very stiff. It's a transition point between your thoracic spine and your lumbar spine.
Okay.
I have ways of making it talk. So let's have you come to this side. So what I found here was this part of your pelvis was a little rigid. It wasn't moving well, so we're going to start there.
Okay.
And you can just look at the ceiling here. Yeah. Move you a little closer to me. And we're going to push through here. Relax. There we go. Quick, easy, short. I don't have to jump on top of you.
Okay.
Come to the other side. So this adjustment, Arun, is going to be a two-part adjustment.
Okay.
Okay? I have to adjust this upper part here and this lower part here.
Okay.
So there's two different adjustments, okay? Come forward. And actually, this one, I'm going to have you help me out a little bit.
Okay.
All right? So assisted by Arun. Okay. Hold on to your elbow there.
Okay.
I'm going to slide my hand in through here. And I want you to clamp down like this. You got that?
Kind of press it down?
Yeah, just don't let my hand out, like that. You're a strong guy, so you'll be able to hold it. Relax for a second, relax for a second. I'll tell you when to help. All right? Okay, man, go ahead and squeeze. Nice. Very good. Relax. How did that feel? Okay. Now, there's one more thing that I want to do, and that's I just have to rock your pelvis a little bit here, okay? What I want to do is I want to move this forward a touch. All right? This table lifts up underneath you, and I'm going to put pressure here and here, like so. Painful? No. Again? Last one. Great job. All right. Well, in a nutshell, what we were able to do was completely correct all of the stiffness in your neck, starting from the base of your skull all the way down to that transition point where your back starts to curve back around your kyphosis. I laid you on your back, and then we adjusted all the way through the thoracic spine. When we got to that junction between the thoracic spine and the lumbar spine, we found a little bit of a tight spot, which I adjusted in two different ways. The first side, I adjusted your pelvis. That moved freely and easy. It was a very small movement. The second one, we adjusted just above your pelvis in that zone, the TL junction. That's where I took your help. We squeezed onto my hand, we adjusted that way. Then we finally finished up with the drop table just to help your other side pelvis out a lot. So I'm very happy about these adjustments. They actually work super well.
Why is that I tend to stand on my left foot for a long time? Is it like
There wasn't actually too much rotation through your pelvis. Okay, there was just stiffness on the right side. This might be habitual. This might just be something that you've tended to do over your life. And from a structural standpoint, there's not really that much change, but from a mechanical standpoint, there probably was a lot of stiffness. So this is the first time we're adjusting, but I was able to get a lot of movement very, very easily. I didn't have to push too hard. So the question is now how you feel moving forward, if you still feel like you're putting more pressure on one side than the other, and how you feel in the gym when you're working out. So rule number one, when you're getting up, you can turn to your side. Well, kind of. Try to turn completely onto your side, and then get up. And then whenever you're getting up.
okay, completely.
Yeah, so like you'll be getting up from your side, your shoulder. Right, that was kind of a 3/4 thing. Alright? Every half an hour, I know you're not a guy who sits a lot, but every half an hour, if you are sitting for some time, maybe you're editing content or whatever, make sure you're standing up and moving around for a minute. And the last one, and we talked about this at the top, posture. Alright? So come forward, feet on the floor.
And what about the shoulder?
Yeah. So I'll get there. So I want you to lift, not too far, yeah, that's it. And then just bring your shoulders back and touch down. I don't want you to feel like a cardboard box. Okay? You just feel natural and relaxed in this position. Even if they come forward a little bit, that's okay. But the idea is that this point should be facing right in front of you. If you're slouching at all, it'll point down toward the floor. Alright, so just keep that nice and level.
Hey, it's Dr. Prathap with Atlas Chiropractic and Wellness, and I'm happy to have just done Arun's first session. It was a perfect success, and I was really happy to see him. The thing about Arun is that he's a dedicated trainer, and he's committed to his craft. So allowing him to express his full functionality physically was important to me. So when he asked me to do this video, I said, hell yeah, let's do it. So yeah. Chiropractic is important for not just fixing pain and not just fixing posture, but also the maintenance of the spine, the muscles, the joints, and the nerves. Chiropractic care is not for everybody to do, but for those people who are committed to their health care. This is a crucial element that can really benefit you and take you to the next level. Chiropractic care is done by experts who have trained 4 years as a doctor of chiropractic. We work very hard at our craft, and we would be considered experts in the musculoskeletal field with additional training in neurology. So whether it has something to do with your nerves, your muscles, your joints, the tissues, and everything in between, consult your chiropractor. We are a non-allopathic treatment method for all types of issues. You can trust us with your life because we are here to free up your lifestyle. At Atlas, you don't just feel better, you also feel better.